Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Amazon Quicksight on your AWS account. So in this video, I'm going to help you with the steps that you need to follow and the information that you need to know to enable Amazon Quicksight on your AWS account. By default, Amazon Quicksight service is not enabled on your account. You have to opt in and subscribe to that Amazon Quicksight service. Then only the Amazon Quicksight service will be available for you to consume. So here Amazon Quicksight service is a cloud native, serverless and business intelligence service. Okay. So this service provides you data visualization capability like dashboarding, presenting the data in the form of graphs, right, pie charts, right, and reporting. So all those business intelligence related, the capabilities will be provided by this service. Okay. So in this video, my aim is to help you to get started with it, or to help you to subscribe it. Okay. So here, as you see, to subscribe to the Amazon Quicksight service, you go to your AWS accounts. This is my AWS account. Currently I'm in Mumbai region. I go to the global search button and just click on type like Quicksight, right, and click on this button Quicksight. This will redirect you to the another page where it will tell you to sign up for the Quicksight. You click on the Quicksight. If you already have the Quicksight dashboard, maybe you can directly log in here. So I will just sign up for this video, right? So this is a demo purpose, so that's the reason I'm just directly going and sign upping the Amazon Quicksight. So here, create your Quicksight account. So under the Quicksight, you have two types of accounts that you can opt in. That is enterprise, and the other one is the standard one, right? So on the enterprise grade, you have enterprise, plain enterprise, and enterprise plus Q, right? And these are the capabilities are being provided under those subscriptions, under those type of subscriptions. Okay. All right. So since this is a demo video, I will choose standard, whereas the standard and the enterprise editions, the account creation method remains same, right? So in this one, you see this is a create Quicksight account page, where you will be putting some input to activate your account. In this one, authentication method, I choose the first one, that is use IAM federated identities and Quicksight managed users. Okay, so for example, here it supports AWS IAM credentials, Quicksight credentials, or SSO based credentials as well. Right. So okay, so I will opt in the first method, which will give me more opportunities. Okay, and then in the Quicksight region. Okay, so Quicksight is a region oriented service. Henceforth, we need to choose the region here. For this case, will choose the Mumbai, right? So changing this might change some sections. Okay, all right. So it just telling like since I'm changing the region, so it is telling that it will change. So if I go back to the same page again, so we have opted Mumbai region. Then the give the name of your account. So I will just add my channel name, that is Quick Cloud Labs. So Quick Cloud Labs, right? And then notification email. So I will give my notification email, that is as my email address as a notification email. So I'm just inputting my Gmail address here, right? Then down the line, you have the Quicksight to access Quicksight access to the AWS service. In the sense, right now when you are activating the account, you need to choose in which are the services you will allow it to auto discover for the resources. Okay, so make your existing account data user available in this site. Okay, so if you go here, allow access to the and auto discovery for these services. Okay, for these resources. In this one, I am least interested about the Amazon Athena, Amazon S3 storage analytics, IoT, OpenSearch, SageMaker, right, and Amazon TimeStream, TimeStream DB. Yeah. So in this one, I will just choose the very important one. Yeah. So basically, I'm going to choose all the existing one, right? Permissions, I will give full permissions, everything, right? So this pop-up button telling you to choose the existing services. Okay, existing S3 bucket. S3 buckets listed to the Quicksight accounts. Okay, or S3 bucket you can. So S3 bucket. So if you go here, so it tells S3 bucket you can access across the account as well, right? So not only one account, but you can also access the S3 bucket present across the account as well. Saying like Quicksight is hosted in this account, but you can also access the data present in S3 bucket, which is cross account as well. right? So I'll go back to the original one. I will keep it this very simple, that is, select the bucket that you want Quicksight to be able to access, right? And I have selected these buckets, and I will just click on this one. And basically I'm least interested about IAM based business analytics, but still you can also opt in that, right? And more interested on the Redshift and the RDS. So Amazon Redshift is a data warehouse service where the maximum history data will be stored. RDS is a live or application data will be stored here. All right, so with this data you just click on button finish. So that's all. It will it will take you to the page where it will actually does the sign up, and it will take you to the next page. Okay, so let's see where does it redirect us. Okay, so let's wait for one more minute. Currently it is creating the Quicksight account. So this video is dedicated for just to help you to get started, right? Whereas in the next videos I'm going to tell you how you can consume this Quicksight to do those BI, that is business intelligence tasks. All right, so it says congratulations, you have signed up for the Amazon Quicksight. Okay, so that's all. So my account name is Quicklabs. So I will go to the I will just go to Amazon Quicksight. Right, so basically this is how this is the very straightforward method that you can this is the way that you can enable this is the way that you can enable the Quicksight account on your Amazon account. All right, so I'll just go here. Welcome to the Quicksight, Amazon Quicksight. Okay, so if you can click on next, connect your data, right? So these are the steps that it is telling. Super fast performance, visualizing, share the insights in your logins. Okay, finally this is the destination page where you will have to come and reach once you have activated your the Amazon Quicksight on your AWS account. All right, so with that note, I have successfully shown the things to be shown in this video, and at the real-time uses of this service to do all those business intelligence tasks. I will create a dedicated videos going ahead. Stay tuned, keep watching my channel, and also kind request, please do subscribe my channel. That would really encourage me a lot. So with that note, thank you, thanks a lot, and see you in the next video.